There is a secret hack that a small group of people are currently using to make up to $3,000 every month without any experience or skills. It is easy, free, and it works regardless of where you are. If you've been looking for an easy way to make money that can change your life, this video is just for you. Keep watching because we are about to show you a loophole that you can use to boost your earnings in an incredible way and the things you need to know to make it work. First, go to moneypantry.com. This is a great blog for anyone that wants to increase their earnings and save more money. We have to give credit where credit is due because this blog saves you time and energy by scouring through the internet to give you the best and most legit ways to make money online in today's world. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick website, but a place for those who want to start a serious side hustle. When you scroll through the page right from the start, there are tons of different ways for you to make money. They have listed out 81 legit ways to make money online. And if you were looking for a job, there are 150 websites that can hire you right now. For students who just want to earn a little bit of cash, this website has got you covered, as it has discovered up to 70 ways you can make money. There is literally something for everyone here. We are going to go back to the top of the page and search for blog posts, and you will immediately see the different articles the website has on that topic. For this method, we are going to show you how you can get paid for writing blog posts. But don't worry, because you won't have to write anything. Just stick around and everything will become clearer as we get into the video. On this page, there is an article that mentions 101 sites that will pay you up to $3,000 to write blog posts. And when you click on that, you are going to see information about all these different websites. You don't need to pay anything to get started. And with these blogs, your earning potential is limitless. The great part about this article is they show you websites that will pay you for different topics. For instance, if you have something on traveling or vacation, you can submit it to any of these companies here and get paid up to $700 for the content. There are some that will also pay you $1 for every word you write. And if you have any experience writing paid articles, then you know that is pretty impressive. You can choose any niche you like to write on, but in this video, we are going to look for sites that pay us to write on general interest. Most of the websites listed here will pay you to write funny stories or something motivational that others can relate to, and we are going to use this site called aarp.org. They accept articles on a lot of topics like health, business, nutrition, trending topics, relationships, and more. When you click on the link provided in the blog post, it will take you straight to the page where you can submit your blog post. We'll show you how you can submit your article in a minute, but before we get to that, let's look at how you can get this content without having to do any writing yourself. Let's say you want to write on a topic like importance of technology in today's world and want to find a lot of interesting content on it. You can easily search Google for information and put something together. But like we've been saying from the beginning, we want to avoid writing as much as possible. And to do this, we are going to use a platform that you probably know already, Quora.com. Quora.com is a forum where people from all over the world come together to share information. You can find content on almost any topic there, even the ones you've never thought about, and this is the perfect place to find what we are looking for. Once you open the website on your phone or laptop, search for the topic you want to write about there. You can find different answers on a particular topic, with the best answers at the top as you scroll through. You can see what different people have to say on the topic. Can you see this? All the content the platform has about the importance of technology shows up when we search for the topic. Once you have everything you need listed out like this, you are going to read through these answers and copy the best answers into a document. Now that we have set aside the best answers, we are going to search for Google Docs on our browser and open the first search result we see. Click on this option at the top that says blank, and we are going to paste all the answers we got from Quora. And while you're doing that, don't forget to leave a comment if you're enjoying this video. Do you remember that there is a little something called plagiarism? Yes, we remember that too, and we definitely don't want you to go ahead and submit plagiarized content to a website because no website will accept that. Luckily, there are two major ways you can avoid this. The first one is reading the content and rewriting parts of it in your own words. But the second method is much faster and easy to do. Plus, it is a free method you can use to rewrite absolutely anything. On your browser, type in quillbot.com, and immediately this website will open up. Quillbot is a tool that instantly makes your content better. It takes what you have and transforms it into compelling, authentic, and clear writing that you can submit anywhere. Doing this automatically wipes off traces of plagiarism, as you have something that is completely yours, and it is free. How great is that? All you have to do is just copy your content and click on the paste text option you see on the homepage. Then click on Paraphrase. It takes a few seconds to rephrase your content, and when it's done, you can download it back to your phone or laptop. Now that you have a brand new blog post, we are going to take that final step and submit it. Back on the AARP page, we are not going to submit the post immediately, and we will only send an email talking about what our blog post is about and why they need it on their website. You have to wait for them to send a response about the next steps of the process, and from there, you can get paid for your blog post. Did you really think we would end this video without a special tip? As always, we'll be showing you another website you can use to make money using this website. Head over to listverse.com, and when you open the website, you'll see this. If you take a quick tour through the website, it is easy to see that the website mostly has top 10 articles. In fact, all the articles there are like this. Listverse will pay you $100 for every list you submit, and you don't need to be a professional writer before you can make money with them. If you have an interesting topic in mind, just head back to Quora.com and search for it. But even if you haven't figured it out yet, you can find a lot of interesting ideas on Quora. Then follow everything we've shown you in this video and get your article ready. On listverse.com, there is this drop-down button at the top under the More section, and when you tap on that, you will see the very first option that says Write and Get Paid. It will take you to this page, and you can go through the requirements a little before clicking on the submissions form to submit your list. Follow all the instructions given and submit your list. Then just relax and wait to get paid. The good part about this is you don't have to spend hours in front of your laptop typing away, and you don't have to write a lot of words before you can get paid a decent amount of money. A blog post with just 500 to 600 words can earn you close to $300. And if you submit multiple posts to different websites, you could end up making close to $3,000 every month through this side hustle. Which of these websites stood out to you? Let us know in the comments, and until next time, guys.